Welcome. On this video, we're going to check how to set up the bot on the BingX Exchange. Once you go to the website and logged in, just navigate to bot settings and scroll down until you find BingX. Under BingX, just open the instructions and follow step by step. Start by hitting the link API Management. That will send you straight away to the API Management. Once you're there, just hit Create API and give it a name. After authentication, your API key is already generated. Now let's edit. Once editing, you're going to hit the permission for spot trading and futures trading. On restricted IP address, you hit this option and copy your IP. Hit add. After the authentication, your API key now saved. So you can just copy the key, paste on the website, and copy the secret and paste on the website. That's it. Now you're ready to execute a test trade. For that purpose, let's navigate to the perpetual futures. On this exchange, it's important to make sure the preference is set to one-way mode. Otherwise, the bot will not be able to trade. Now we can just scroll down and watch the position while we hit the execute test trade, which open an XRP long position and automatically close it after a few seconds. So we can see in the exchange the XRP position, and after a few seconds it is closed. And that means the bot is now set up and ready to trade. You can just activate your bot and happy trading.